What is going on, guys? So coming at you with a crawling video. So I'm just gonna throw in a battery in a truck. Don't really know which one I'm gonna use yet. I think I'm gonna use one of my cousin's trucks just because they're like 100% like almost stock, other than wheels and tires and some wideners. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that just because I like crawling around with a stock truck. So yeah, be right back. All right, guys, here we go. Stock deadbolt. Well, 95% stock. So stinking sweet. Love it. So just got done with my live stream, and now I am filming this video for you guys. Absolutely had a blast tonight. Had Jim on there. Upper left stopped by. Freaking awesome. Can't believe he stopped in. Had to join live stream with him tonight. It was so sweet. Absolutely loved it. Oh, no, I'm struggling. Oh, what's going on? Oh, shit. There we go. So, this truck I'm going to be switching it out, and since I've done it, there's something weird going on with this truck. But I put in the Emax MD servo, so it's a digital servo, and it glitches so bad. I don't know what the deal is, but you guys totally didn't even see what the truck just did. But whatever. It glitches so bad, and I don't know why it does so. I don't know if I'm gonna fit through here, but we shall try it. Oh no, we're not gonna fit. Oh, well, that's a bummer. Shoot. So I guess we're going the other way. But it glitches so bad, and it will just cut the power in response completely to the truck. The lights will stay on, they'll flicker a little bit, but I won't have steering and I won't have any throttle. So I don't know what's going on with it, but it definitely is starting to tick me off. So I'm going to be getting some more servos and putting a different one in this truck because, yeah, it's dumb. So that was two. And if you guys have noticed, I did slight changes to the course, reorganized some stuff, added a couple of more rocks. Yeah, so it's looking pretty sweet. So this area all got changed. Put a little bit more greenery in there, added a few more rocks. I put that rock over there instead of that piece of wood I had over there. So it's definitely looking freaking fantastic. This gate is not set up properly. I lost my little gate setter, so we'll just run through here a second. The teeter-totter that I had here in my last video is going to be moved back over there. Still not quite sure if it's going to stay there, just because of the problem I just came into with this truck. It doesn't fit through the center of it, and I want to be able to drive through the center of it. So that's probably going to end up changing, because these trucks are too wide once you get wideners on them. Oh, I'm totally going to hit that gate. Yep. And gate 3. Where's gate 3? Did I totally miss gate 3? Nope, I hit gate 3. I'm on my way to gate 4. Let's see if we can't make it up the face of this. Oh, so far so good. Come on. Oh yeah, we made it. So stinking sweet. Now, we get 4. Going to hit it? Nope, didn't hit it. Look at that, so cool. Go up behind Adam's family house. So awesome. But yeah, so I don't recommend getting the Emax MD. They're just, I've had problems with them. I have 2 of them. I got one in USA 1, and every time if I some reason or another turn the truck on first before the remote, the stupid servo won't even register. So then, yeah, it's not a huge deal, but it's just kind of a pain. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not very happy with the MD servos. They're glitchy. Oh man, I'm in a tough spot. Oh, don't want to scratch the truck, so I'm going to grab it and hand it God. So yeah, going to be switching the servo out in this truck. Just super glitchy, not a fan. And I left my guy's Jeep in the way, so that's gotta get moved. I'll stick him down here. I'll stick him right there. See if he'll stay there. Okay, so gate 5. Oh, and now Frankie's in the way. Holy crap, just all sorts of freaking shenanigans over here and freaking unorganized bullcrap. Took out a tree. Bunch of stuff from Mofo here pretty quick. Oh yeah, look at that. With ease. Hopefully you don't see so attention around shooting. Blocks up here. Mess up and it's going to fall. For a fall. Oh man. Ta-da. Hand of God. And we'll come to here. here. Oh, it twisted on me. Yeah. So cool. Man, I did not like that servo. Oh. Whoa. Almost backed up too far. So cool. Oh, we have obstacle on the course. So these are more fences that my dad made me. And I think I'm going to mount them right there so it won't fall off this bridge here. I think that would kind of sweet. I got a bunch of them. Let's see if we can make this turn. Oh yeah. Oh, there's something fishy on. That stupid servo is pissing me off to no end. There we go. Say hi to Johnny Depp. Soon to be upgraded. This bridge here, guys, is temporary. The one that is going to be taking his place will not have to worry about having this happen to you. One, and it's going to be a freaking killer looking bridge. Cannot wait to show you guys that bridge. It's going to be really sweet. But for now, that definitely does the job. And that was the new section of the course. And I think we're going to wrap up the video right there. Cousin Travis's Deadbolt. Alright guys, so there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Not really the quite quality of video I like doing. I really like doing the other style of shooting, but it really takes me a very long time to edit those videos. And being that it's like 3 o'clock in the morning now on Sunday morning, yeah, definitely not going to go down that road at this hour. But anyway, I still enjoy making these videos for you guys. Totally appreciate every one of you. Don't know how many times I can say that. And we will see you on Friday. Take it easy, guys. No, we'll see you Wednesday for Wednesday night crawl night, or comp night Wednesday night. So hopefully I can get that to happen this week. But as always, guys, thanks again. See you later.